Ever wondered why we can see our faces in the mirror or how light bounces off a shiny surface? The answer lies in a fascinating concept called reflection. Now, reflection isn't just about mirrors and shiny things. It's a fundamental principle that governs how light interacts with surfaces. Picture this. A beam of light hits a surface, and instead of being absorbed or passing through, it bounces back. That's reflection in action. You see it every day, from the mirror in your bathroom to the shiny hood of a car under the sun. It's a simple concept, yet it's at the heart of many things we take for granted. And it's not just about seeing your own reflection. From the way cameras work to the functioning of high-powered telescopes, reflection has a role to play. Now that we know what reflection is, let's delve deeper into its types. Reflection isn't just a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. It comes in two varieties, specular and diffuse reflection. Now let's dive a little deeper. Specular reflection is like a mirror image. Picture this. You're standing in front of a smooth, shiny surface like a mirror or a calm lake. The light rays bounce off uniformly, allowing you to see a clear reflection of yourself. That's specular reflection in action. On the other hand, we have diffuse reflection. This occurs when light strikes an uneven or rough surface. The light rays scatter in all different directions. Think about how you can't see your reflection in a rough, rocky river or on a concrete wall. That's because the light is bouncing back at you in a myriad of directions. By using diagrams and animations, we can visualize how these two types of reflection differ and how they interact with surfaces in the world around us. Understanding these types of reflection brings us to the laws that govern them. Like all things in physics, reflection too follows certain laws. The key law here is, the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Now, what does that mean? Let's break it down. Incidence refers to the incoming light ray, while reflection refers to the ray that bounces back. The angle of each is measured from an imaginary line known as the normal, which is perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence. Imagine a bouncing ball. The angle at which it hits the ground is the same angle at which it bounces back. Light behaves in a similar fashion. This law holds true no matter the type of surface, be it a mirror, a pond, or a shiny car hood. So next time you see light bouncing off a surface, remember it's not magic, it's physics. These laws don't just exist in textbooks, they are at work all around us. From mirrors to glasses to shiny surfaces, the applications of reflection are all around us. Whenever you catch a glimpse of yourself in a mirror, that's reflection at work. The mirror-like or specular reflection bounces light back at you, forming your image. Glasses, too, use reflection to redirect light, helping us see clearly or protect our eyes from the sun's glare. But it's not just everyday items. Reflection also plays a critical role in devices that expand our vision beyond the naked eye. Telescopes, for instance, use large mirrors to collect and reflect light from distant stars and galaxies. Microscopes, on the other hand, use reflection to magnify tiny objects, bringing the microscopic world into focus. Even periscopes in submarines utilize reflection, allowing sailors to see above the water's surface while submerged. So you see, reflection isn't just fascinating, it's also incredibly useful. We've taken a quick tour through the world of reflection, but there's so much more to explore. We've delved into the intriguing world of reflection, its types and its laws. We've seen how light behaves, bouncing off surfaces in predictable patterns. Specular reflection, that mirror-like bounce, and diffuse reflection, where light scatters in many directions, are the two main types we've covered. We've also learned about the laws of reflection, with the angle of incidence always equaling the angle of reflection. Furthermore, we've seen how reflection plays a vital role in our day-to-day life, from mirrors to optical devices like telescopes and periscopes. But the exploration doesn't stop here. We encourage you to delve deeper, experiment, and observe how light and reflection work around you. The world is a physics lab waiting for your exploration. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploring reflection. Remember, the world of physics is all around you, waiting to be discovered.